tour right now. Nandito na kami sa bus.
Hello?
Actually,
Okay, good morning.
Hello. We're inside. Hi po. But mine is very sweet and better taste. But it's delicious as a part of the food.
Actually, guys, I want to say the very first also, not only for the whole day, actually, for the animals.
Our breadfruit tree. Eh, the Nara Odyssey, endemic yan to the Philippines. Tumutubo yan dito sa Pilipinas. Itong isa yung breadfruit tree tumutubo.
Hi. Grand Venice Canal. Let's stay here. Stay
Tayong for Siga, then meron Habang tinatapos nila ang Jessa and positive remedy,
Kunin natin ang pinakadulo, na apat.
lalabas yung nasa loob, pinakadulo. Okay? So, ay, inaatake. Inaatake.
Sige din po ito sa head.
Wait. There's a cell phone in the mirror there. What is the home? Using symbols. Ano lampshade? This is the lampshade. Or sumala cars.
Hello, Manila. Hindi ako.
Hello.
We're leaving now.
We're leaving now after checking. Tapos baba na kami sa elevator. We are here in Town Plaza. Thanks for joining me. Kami po ng pila, oh. Ayun, sundan po natin. So, ayan, kasama ko po. May tayo po sa likod. Yung nag hintay po sila ng pila po. So, andito po ako sa Manila.
Other bus stands, there are stories from Metro Manila. But because of the Filipino war violence rate, hindi ba natin naman
By the way, dito po sa loob.
was awarded the Definitive Autoridad, one of the best projects in Asia to clean up the water, and that is what we call Piso para sa Pasig. So it was
Thai Fridays restaurant in Robinson's East Manila. Ito po yung
So this is the R, Filipino Chinese.
hotel in China. Nandito po kami sa Divisoria, kaya pumunta po kami sa Mendoza Hotel. Pupot po. Lucky Chinatown. Pag crispy, meron ng ano, pagkain eh. Ba't di nasa ketchup? Siguro, sakto lang. Masarap pagkain. Pero dapat sayang ketchup. Sa plaza pa lang. Tignan mo po, may mantika po. Toasted wheat bake last year.
Okay, kahit content, okay, I do understand. Okay, kahit content, still, it's different. Okay, from the four corners of your classroom, it's better to go out. At least you will not be culture shock anymore. One of my favorite time is
Good evening, guys. My classmates, good evening. We are right here from the school. And that's our video for today. And I like